Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce my name is Ratnaye, Biologi kelas F, NIM H032136. I will discuss about cell. The cell was discovered in 1665 by the English section and inventor Robert Hooke. Hooke designed in a compound-like microscope to observe structure to smell to be with the naked eye. Among the first structure has the man's waist, a pinky of the outer surface of the bar from a drink. Hooke describes two core as being made of hundreds of square, making it look like we have a cell, this little square cell. It soon became clear that almost all living things were made of cell and that the cell had three characteristics in common. Cell theory, the concept that the cell is the basic unit of life, is embodied in a theory called cell theory, which includes the following main ideas. Cells arise only by division of extant cell. Cell contains legacy information that contrasts its activity. The cell is the functional unit of life. Metabolism, chemical realization of life occur in the insect. Given the appropriate condition, the cell is capable of independent existence.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Fadila, NIM H03213659, Class Biology F. Chromosomes are structures that provide continuity between one cell generation and another next. Their name comes from the Greek color somebody because of affinity them for keratin stain as in the microscope. Chromosome consists of DNA, genetic material cell, encased in protein. They become visible in nucleus, where more dispersed chromatin in present closely. All chromosomes can be examined microscopically after opening the cell that are in various white appropriate coloring. Chromosomes from homolog pairs. If the chromosomes are cut, they can be arranged into suitable pairs according to size and certain other features. These are called homolog pairs. Apart from the sex chromosome, but chromosomes in a pair actually contain the same gene. For example, for age or hair color. However, this might be different forms of the gene. For example, one chromosome carries the shape from green as another form. One chromosome in each pair comes from the individual mother and the other from the father. Cells that have two normal sets of chromosomes are called diploid. Cells that produce gametes, eggs, and sperm only have one chromosome pair, so they have held the normal number of chromosomes.
My name is Sarifa Mahisara, NIM H03213654. Mitosis. Two identical daughter cells. In mitosis, the nucleus divides on and produces two identical nuclei. The new daughter cells are genetically identical to the parental cell, unless their DNA has been changed in some way, for example by a mutation. So mitosis doubles the number of cells with cell changing the genetic information new cell for growth of a multicellular organism, asexual reproduction, and wall healing, for example, are produced by mitosis. The cell cycle. The cell cycle is the sequence of events that occurs between one cell division and the next. It consists of their main stage. Number 1, during interphase, the cell grows, carry out its function, and replicate its DNA. After the DNA is replicated, new protein basomes attached to it. The chromosome now consists of a standard Charles system chromatic which contains identical kinetic information. Sister chromatids are joined at some point along their leg by chromosomes. The cells become visible under the light microscope only during mitosis. The typically interphase lasts for about 90% of the cell cycle. Number 2, nucleus division taking place during mitosis. The chromatid containing replicate DNA are separated from each other and are redistributed as chromosomes in the nucleus of the two new daughter cells. Number 3, in cell division also challenge cytokinesis. The cytoplasm divides to the daughter cell.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kalimantia Heidi Hey032132. I will write our material that is microscope. A microscope is used to produce a magnified image of an object or specimen. Anton van Leeuwenhoek, 1632-1723, was the first to invent a microscope powerful enough to explore the world of microbes. His discoveries stimulates an explosion of interest in the scientific use of microscopes. Since the 18th century, many new types have been invented, of which the most commonly used today are the compound light microscope and the electron microscope. The compound light microscope. The compound light microscope is also called a light microscope or optical microscope. The lenses refract when the light to give a magnified image of the object. The image may be projected directly into the never eye or into photographic film. A photographic taken through a light microscope is called photomicrograph or light micrograph. The electron microscope. Electron microscope use a beam of electron instead of a beam of light. Electron beams have a much smaller wavelength than light rays, so electron microscopists have greater resolving power and can produce higher effective magnification than light microscopists. There are two main types of electron microscopists: the transmission electron microscope or TEM and the scanning electron microscope or SIM. That is all, and thank you.